The water from the village comes down through the village and it goes under the gardens here, but it rises at this place and it enables me to put in one or two things that I'm particularly keen on. Some of the regersias, they're not yet up, hostas. I have a collection of about 150, 160 different hostas, and I have them all growing in the garden, you can see here. And then when I want to propagate them, I just come along and have a little dibble. But I probably do mine at a peculiar time. I tend to propagate hostas in July, in summer, and then put them into shade. I just find they're better that way. Like bees in a garden, the sound of running water. You know, it is just so lovely. Oh, you can't possibly be hot, you two. Good God. Smilacina racemosa, sometimes called false Solomon's seal. A lovely plume head. So again, it's prone to the same pests as Solomon's seal, namely the sawfly, which can strip the foliage. The plant down there, where we're going to, is commonly known as skunk cabbage, Lysocoton. Look at that. Now, if that ain't a rude plant, I don't know what is. Good God. Some of the magnolias, as I said before, are going over. We've had some really bad frosts here, but there you go. It's all part of life, isn't it? Going up here, I have another collection of hollies and maples on this back wall. I'm sure this isn't going to be filming very well because it's ever so sunny. We'll see what we can do. More maples. Fire glow. This is a nice conifer. This is a larch, a contorted larch. You can see the contortion in the branches. This is one called Diane, and I particularly like this. Again, it's a plant that has to be grafted. You can't do it from seed, it just wouldn't come true. But Diane, very interesting. I've also cut it to twist the base, to twist the stems. I like this irregularity, and if you look at it, I'm hoping you'll see what I mean. Another nice plant here. You can see up into that foliage. This is a Metasequoia Glyptostroboides gold rush. I have an idiosyncrasy. I have an idiosyncratic way of planting things in the middle of paths. As you can see here, it's all over this garden. I don't know why I do it. I'm bloody stupid, I think. But it's something inside me. It says, there is a big wide path, stick something in the middle of it so people separate when they come up it. Don't know why. Look at that foliage. That is just beautiful, isn't it? It's not just about flower, is it? It's not just about the flowers of the apple blossom or the flowers of the corns or the flowers of the magnolia. It's also about foliage and texture and depth. And I really don't want to sound like a bloody stinking old garden designer. Generally to be... I have a thing about garden designers. I've always thought that they're the sort of thing that posh people do that can't actually grow the plants. But then I'm probably an inverted snob.